2021 was the strongest year financially speaking for the majority of short-term property management companies across the entire United States. So what happened from that? An incredible increase of exposure into our industry, and that happened from guests, which increased demand. That happened from homeowners, which increased supply. That happened from entrepreneurs, that is adding just so many more interesting business models and companies in this industry. But that also happened from buyers and investors. And so in the last 12 to 24 months, there has been more interest in terms of buyers in our industry than ever before as well. And what we have is we have a couple of different demographics of buyers or types of buyers. And so we have the ones that are venture backed, and these are the ones that are going towards the public markets, or they're already public. And they tend to have more kind of brand uniformity across the country, where they're working on a national brand, whether that's for the homeowner side or the guest side. Then you have the private equity-backed companies, and these ones are more brand agnostic. They're more of a collection of local strong brands in different markets. And then finally, you just have some of these larger strategic companies. So these regional companies that are big in Orlando or in the Panhandle of Florida, they might try to buy a smaller competitor in their market. If they have 250 units, they may try to acquire another 25 units or so. And with all these different buyers, they all have a different investment thesis. And so that thesis might be geographically aligned. So they may, ABC buyer, ABC Vacation Rentals may be super interested in the Orlando market, or they might be interested in urban markets. So geography is always an important part for these buyers. The second part that's really important is typically an Ebitda threshold. So they either want vacation rental management companies that are minimum $1 million or maximum $1 million, or anything in between. So if you have a 75 unit company in Southwest Florida, then you might be a perfect acquisition candidate for this one company, but you might be terrible for this other company. So it's good to kind of understand where you are and where you fit in the market right now. And it is a good time for sellers because there are more buyers out there than ever before. So there is a slight imbalance there, that if you are running a strong company, that you will be able to get a strong market offer in terms of price and structure.